Hi, can you hear me? Okay, you can hear me now. Good. See, does it work? Yes, it is working. So I will start making a new video. It was waited a long time to make a new video with the Ferty language. So firstly, I thought of an idea to make to clean the code a bit, because this if nested statements are a bit messy, and if you want to modify something you have to search for it a lot in here. That's why I added those comments, but we can do much better than this. So this is like the verify errors. That's not the case, but this is the case. So you want to check a lot in here, maybe to the code, and we will make some new blocks with it, and like a block called print, a block that creates variables, a block that sets a value to the variable, and all kind of stuff to make it work. Okay, what is this? So I believe this is print. So print, and I will make print a value, and let's see right here. I think this is print variable. So I will edit this print variable. And right now, what we'll do in here is this. So we will print variable, and here we will get the code to this in here. So print variable output. Okay, and in here we will get value. Maybe let's do this some other way. So print variable, and then the input, let's say type. So we add in here var, so for variable, and if say type is equal to variable, we will add this in here, and else if type is equal to I don't know, let's say string str, we will add only the code up above for only print. So I think this is it. We'll add print output and str here, and of course we will get this down there. Okay, done the print statement. Now we can see it out here. Another idea I have, I will add a list of errors, and in here we are gonna add all the errors we have, and when we have this, we can only display an error using another block, so it would be easier to understand. First error, program has finished with ID 1. Okay. This is not an error, so program has finished with ID 0. Okay. Let's see. Okay. Good. So right now, for these errors that have the line inside, we'll add only the aftermath of the join. So for example, here there are no brackets for syntax B. Okay. That's like the same. The command isn't recognized. Oh, good. There are no brackets for syntax V. This is the same, also the same, and also the same. Good. And now let's get the errors from around here. So error variables specified not found in line, and this is join. Okay, good. So I think we are done with the errors. I think, because I'm not always right. And let's see, no views, no nothing, no problem. So right now we have 6 errors, and we'll make a block called error, and only a tag. And now, not the tag, no, edit. So not the tag, but type. So this is where we have some if statements. So if type is equal to, let's say, error, I don't know, duplicate this. Error, simply error. We will add errors. No, item 1 of errors. Good. No error, simply error because it's simpler. Now item 2, syntax P. So syntax P. So here we might need to add the line. So add line. And here we will add only P. Syntax syn P, and say join in line, open 2 points line, item 2, item 3 of errors. Good. Next, the command isn't recognized, so where is that? Rec, I think I will do a rec here, and in line 4, there are no brackets for syntax V, so syn V, and here I will add 5 variable specified spec V, I think I will add, so some names that aren't important. Spec V in line, no, this is not in line, it only contains 6 in here. Okay, good. So now all we are gonna do is replace all the errors in the program with the block we just created. It's just more simpler. So here is error I think it was, with I in here. Also here it's no error. And now the big part. So for P is syn P, so error syn P, and line I. Now I'll just copy this around, so this we don't need anymore. We are just cleaning the code. Let's see. Command isn't recognized, so this is rec, I believe. Yeah, it's rec. Then no brackets for syntax V, so this is syn V. Okay. doesn't matter because all these three are the same. Sin v, and I'm gonna add it in here. I'm gonna duplicate it in here as well, and now the command isn't recognized, so rec, it was rec. Good. So now only in here we have errors. One error, I believe, yeah. So spec specified variables, error spec v, and I in here. Even though we don't need it, we will add it in here. And no set errors. In here as well, spec v and I in here. And here as well. And we are finishing all the errors and stuff. So spec v and I. Good. Very good until now. So we can close this list called errors because we don't need it open anymore. And now we are all gonna do clean the code like we did with the print value and type. So what is it in here? We are creating variables, so create a var with name. Where is it? Right here. And we'll only add this in here, but instead of this we are gonna add this and output here. This, let's clear it and create var with the name output. Good. Another cleaner interface. This is the print variable. This is the set of a value. So set value. Here we will add var, and here we will add value. Good. So now it will look something like this. So output will be the name of variable and the new value will be value. I will think in the future for a better way to do this and clear out this whole mess, but for now this is all right. And this is the input. The input is not we don't need it to edit anything here. And now let's just do operators, because that's what I promised I will do. So I'll go into stage and backdrops, and I will plug in something so I can draw and explain a bit of logic. I think that's what I'm gonna do. So let's see, does it work? Yes, it does work. I will zoom it a bit. Okay, so some operators. Firstly, I will add the operator to increment. This is also equal to so let's see, is also equal to variable. So we have a variable that is equal to variable plus something, points, and etc. So for an example, we have the same variable plus equals 1. That will be incrementing, so the variable will change by 1. Change plus 1. Now it's the same thing at minus, so looks minus equals. Also I'll make an asterisk here, equals, and the slash equals. Okay, so right now we have everything clear. I will erase the whiteboard and continue with the lecture. Good. So we will add some more operators. Some are in Scratch, some aren't. So let's say the first is gonna be in Scratch, and you may know it already. It looks like this, and it is called mod or modulo. It is used for many things, but the best use I can hear it, I can get is the last I don't know how to say it, the last unit of a number. So let's say for 13 mod 10, it's gonna be 3. So for this is like 13 on by 10, you divide 10, it's 1, remain 3. And if you note, say another color, we get the same output here as by the modulo. So this is what it does. It gets the last unit. or like the remaining of a division. Let's create a new backdrop and delete the old one to clear it faster. Now get another color, of course. See, does it? One view. Really nice. Let's see. How's the live doing? No chat, no nothing. Only 1 minute and 38. Wow. So we will add something new, something that isn't in Scratch, but it is easy. It is called div, and what it does, it gets only the every division without the remaining. So 13 div, let's say 2, it will only get 6, and 13 slash 2, the division, is gonna get 6, remain 1. And mostly this is all we are gonna talk about. But the thing is, we will add some more operators, maybe some other time, but for the if statement that many of you requested, some of you, not many, and or slash or. So this you may know from Scratch because are the same. Then for later, not now, so after we finish the language we will add bitwise operators. So with this I will explain a bit later because they are a bit hard to understand, but look like this. Or I don't know how to make it. Yeah. Okay. So these are for start of the. Also, I forgot to add what I will add on the next page. So equal is gonna be used as a is equal to, and the exclamation mark to not. Don't be afraid, we will also use the not, the program, but to not equal to, we'll use this exclamation mark and equal mark to is not equal to. Good. So let's get to work. I'll unplug my graphic tablet and let's start the program. In today we are gonna do only the increment operator, so plus equals minus equals. So in the set value we will add also so we'll edit set value with operator. And now let's say, so we start a new program, we add the line, and we firstly are gonna print something hello world, and we will compile. Now edit line 0, nothing, because line 0 it's not existing. Hello world, finish. And now we will create a new variable by the name var. Compile, no brackets for syntax. You see the error, it does work. Don't know why did input 2 for the same, but no problem. So for another video I will fix the output problem. So how do we create a variable? I don't know why it didn't work. But I think this live is getting for too long, and we cleared a lot of the program, so I'll make it as an end, and I'll see you next time. I'll make more videos, so bye.